AI could outdiagnose trained doctors on some of the most complex medical cases. Microsoft AI Diagnostic Orchestrate. So, from identifying hidden causes of infertility to predicting fatal heart conditions before symptoms appear, AI isn't just analyzing and predicting, it's actually intervening. Hello, everyone. Welcome to one more episode of Unlocking the AI Advantage. And this is your host, Ramesh Danta. Yeah, you're wondering probably you haven't heard from us for a few weeks or so. So after a short summer break, so we are back. So don't worry. We'll be bringing you these episodes both on audio format as well as the video format regularly as well. Okay, so we are recharged and ready to go with a brand new series driving into the most game-changing AI breakthroughs transforming many industries, including healthcare. In this episode, though, I'll focus on healthcare. If you're a health tech founder, clinician, researcher, or just someone who's excited about how AI is reshaping healthcare, you're in the right place. Okay, so what if I told you that an AI could outdiagnose trained doctors on some of the most complex medical cases, or that it could help someone who's paralyzed move or even speak again using only their brain? It sounds like a sci-fi, right? But it's already happening with the help of AI. So, from identifying hidden causes of infertility to predicting fatal heart conditions before symptoms appear, and even restoring lost physical functions, AI is changing healthcare at a pace that's honestly hard to keep up with. And it's very difficult even for people who are focusing in this area also to keep up with. And that's the reason. So we have a newsletter dedicated just to AI in healthcare. So this goes with our other newsletter as well, so which is focusing on AI across multiple industries, but we have a dedicated newsletter just for AI in healthcare called AI Health Tech Insider. So if you're not subscribed to this newsletter, so this is probably the time you would like to subscribe and to just a health tech focused AI breakthroughs. By the way, while talking about subscriptions, you may also want to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're already not subscribed, where these podcast episodes as well as additional videos are available. So one is a newsletter, the other one is a video. Now you have all the formats: audio, video, and the text. All right. So now let's get going with the podcast and also the video cast for this episode. The very first story. Let me start with a headline that might make you do a double take. Microsoft has developed an AI diagnostic tool called MaidXO, short for Microsoft AI Diagnostic Orchestrator. And in a clinical test, believe it or not, it didn't just match the doctors and diagnosis, it actually beat them. MaidXO was tested against 304 real-world medical cases from the New England Journal of Medicine. So that's where it published. Basically, the gold standard in clinical diagnosis. And it wasn't just accurate, it was more accurate than the doctors. Why does this matter? Because misdiagnosis affects around 7.4 million ER patients every year. That's a large number, just in the US alone. That's not a small problem. It's a massive, massive problem. 7.4 million ER patients just from a misdiagnosis. So MaidXO works by analyzing huge, complex data sets, everything from a patient's medical history and genetics to lab results and imaging. Even the best doctors can't process that much information in real time, but AI can. So that is the difference that AI makes in its ability to process multiple large data sets and in a time that's needed to diagnose. And it doesn't do this alone. MaidXO uses a cutting-edge technique called multi-agent reasoning. Think of it like a virtual team of mini specialists, each focused on a different part of your health and all collaborating to reach the best possible diagnosis. That's the beauty of what we're talking about, where we have think of them as a multiple agents working together for a better diagnosis. So that's story number one. Now, let me shift gears and go on to something incredibly personal for millions of people: fertility. Yes, fertility. Imagine trying to start a family for 18 years, only to keep hearing the same answer: no healthy sperm. It's emotionally devastating and medically a huge challenge. So that's where AI made a stunning difference. At the Columbia University Fertility Center, AI scanned tens of thousands of microscopic images in just hours. Images that would have taken humans days to review, and found viable sperm that had gone undetected for nearly 2 decades. It's not just the speed that we're talking about, okay? It's precision. The AI uses pattern recognition to detect what the human eye can't: tiny differences in movement, structure, and energy signatures that indicate fertility. This kind of super sight opens up new doors, not just for fertility, but for any medical field that relies on visual analysis. In this case, it gave a family a second chance, after going through for 18 years of data. So that's unbelievable. And it's heartwarming, and it, of course, helps that family. Moving on. So let's talk about prevention. So, not just the diagnosis, but actually prevention. Because what if AI could warn you about a fatal heart condition before it strikes? Enter M-AIRS, a multi-model transformer based AI trained on massive amounts of health data: electronic records, cardiac MRIs, and echocardiograms, and you name it, all these different kinds of data sets. Its goal: to predict hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, or HCM for short. It's a leading cause of sudden cardiac death, especially in young people, before it shows symptoms. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. So it's very complicated analysis that needs to be done. And how accurate is it? Its AUC score is 0.89, and AUC score is supposedly the one that scores and measures the accuracy. A perfect score would be 1.0. That means M-AIRS is exceptionally good at distinguishing high risk patients from low risk ones and separating them out. So 0.89 in a high score of a 1.0. And this isn't theory, just theory. Okay, it's been validated on over 800 patients at top institutions like Johns Hopkins and the Sanger Heart Institute. Okay, imagine what this means: earlier treatment, fewer hospitalizations, and lives saved, not by emergency surgery, but by a simple algorithm that saw it coming. And once it's productized in some form or fashion, so it could be wearable, however it is going to be productized, it can really save lots of lives. So that was story number three. So now moving on to the next breakthrough. Here, AI isn't just analyzing and predicting, it's actually intervening, right? We talked about diagnosis, we talked about prevention, but what actually AI could intervene and help out, and that's what this next breakthrough is about. In China, massive investment is driving next gen brain computer interfaces, or BCIs. These are devices that connect the brain directly to machines, sometimes even without invasive surgery. One project is called StairMed, helped a man with no limbs play video games using only his thoughts. No joystick, no controller, just brain signals. Another breakthrough device called NEO uses AI powered pneumatic gloves to help paralyzed patients regain hand function. In clinical trials, 20 patients showed significant improvement. And then there is NeuroAccess, which recently pulled off a world first: decoding Mandarin speech in real time at 50 words per minute straight from a brain implant. Decoding Mandarin speech in real time at 50 words per minute. Think about that. Being able to talk again, not through your voice, but through your thoughts, We're not talking about future tech that's going to be there some other time. The tech is here and now. So this is an area where this particular breakthrough is all about intervening, and especially these brain computer interfaces, or BCIs. Moving on to the next breakthrough. AI is not only for the life threatening stuff, but it's transforming the everyday things like going to the dentist. I know you don't like it. I don't like it either, but AI is coming to our help. A new AI model using convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, it's one of the important piece of technology that's used in AI, is now matching dentists in diagnosing oral conditions from basic photos. So again, we're talking about diagnosis here. So plaque, gingivitis, cavities, it saw them with 81.11% accuracy. So 80 plus percent accuracy, just for short, let's say that. Compare that to the average dentist at 82%. That's basically even. So we're not talking about outmatching the dentist here, but matching the dentist on the diagnosis with respect to plaque, gingivitis, and cavities. And with a push toward telehealth, this kind of a tool could revolutionize dentistry in underserved areas, allowing consistent early diagnosis through just a smartphone photo. So see how cost effective this could be, where lots of rural areas, lots of areas do not have the health coverage, or the trained physicians, trained health tech professionals are not available. But if they could, in this case, if they could just upload the photo, however it is taken, however it has to be taken, and this particular technology can diagnose plaque, gingivitis, cavities as the first line of defense. Just your diagnosis is there, and then you can take care of it, because now you don't have to go. It's using the telehealth. So now you have the diagnosis. Now moving on to the next segment. So next breakthrough, I would say. So this is where we're not just talking about AI assisting medicine. We are talking about it augmenting the human body, right? It's not about diagnosis, it's a prediction, or even intervention, but actually it's augmenting the human body. So what am I talking about? The AI Health Tech Insider, the newsletter I talked about, so recently actually polled readers on which AI powered organ upgrade they would pick. So we just wanted to find out what our readers could care with respect to which AI powered organ upgrade they would like to choose. And the options from our readers were straight out of sci-fi, right? So one, MindSpark AI boosts memory and focus. CardioGuard AI manages heart health and stamina. And BreathSafe AI filters toxins and enhances lung function. Or Liver Pure, a smart detox system for optimal metabolism. So we're talking about either brain or heart cardio, which is or the BreathSafe AI, which is about the lungs, and the other one is a Liver Pure AI, right? So these are the four organs our readers picked. But these are not just gimmicks. The research is already in motion in all these areas, how AI could augment the human body in all these areas. Miniaturized implants are there, self-learning algorithms that keep learning whatever is inserted, and organ-specific AI nodes that optimize your body in real time. I hope all these breakthroughs are actually forcing you to sit somewhere, otherwise it's out of your mind, and in terms of how futuristic they look, but at the same time they're all happening right now as we speak. Whether it's a diagnosis illness better than doctors, restoring movement, or predicting deadly conditions, or imagining AI organs that live inside us, we are entering a new era of healthcare. So let us know in the comments if you're on in a YouTube channel, or even in the podcast, wherever you're listening to this episode from. What excites you the most about AI in medicine? What scares you? And what do you think the world will look like in 2030? So that's literally 5 years from now, if this trend continues. Actually, things may be happening real time within the 6 months, 1 year time frame. But we are going to give you 5 years, like a 2030. So what will the world look like to you if this trend continues? So please comment, and don't forget to like this episode, whether it's whatever form that you are either listening or watching it or reading it in the newsletter. please like and subscribe and ring that bell in the YouTube channel for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future. Hope you got enlightened by today's episode. This is your host, Ramesh Danta, with Unlocking the AI Advantage, the podcast and videocast. Until next time, see you.